Hello everyone. Need a quick way to schedule meetings or events using Outlook calendar on the web. So once you signed in, click on the calendar icon and on the lower left menu to switch to your calendar view. And then click new event in the top right corner. So now enter your meeting details like the title, location, start and end time. Now to make this a meeting, just add the email address of the people you want to invite. Then click on Schedule Assistant to check everyone's availability, especially useful when people are in different time zones. Now, if you want to make this a recurring meeting, click on Make Recurring. That looks like this, and choose how often it repeats. You can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. Then select Save or to notify everyone, just select Send. And if you want to let others know you're out of the office, just go to settings, account, and automatic replies. You need to turn it on and then set the time range and type your message. And that's it. So whether you are planning a one-off event or weekly meetings, Outlook calendar makes it fast and simple.